In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and access Google Drive. Let's get started by signing in with your Google account, often your Gmail login. This step is essential because your Google Drive is linked directly to your Google account and allows you to access all the features that come with this versatile cloud storage solution. After logging in, you'll navigate to drive.google.com if you're on a computer, or simply open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a neat layout showcasing your My Drive, which contains all your personal files. If you're part of a company using Google Workspace, you'll also see shared drives, offering a powerful way to collaborate with your team. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's move on to uploading and storing files. To begin this process, look for the plus new button. Clicking this will present you with two main options: file upload for individual files, or folder upload if you wish to upload an entire directory. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop files like documents, images, videos, spreadsheets, or PDFs directly into the window, and they'll begin uploading. This method is incredibly efficient because your files are stored safely in the cloud, making them accessible from anywhere at any time. Remember, Google Drive offers you a generous 15 GB of free storage, and if you find yourself needing more, there's always the option to upgrade via Google One or Workspace plans. With your files in Drive, organizing them becomes your next task. It's like tidying up your digital desk. A great strategy is to create folders specific to each of your projects, clients, or departments. This helps compartmentalize your work and keep everything neat. Adding a splash of color to these folders not only makes your space aesthetically pleasing, but also makes it easier to find files at a glance. For documents or folders that you access frequently or hold significant importance, adding a star will ensure they're easily found. Taking advantage of the priority workspace is another excellent tip, as Google AI analyzes your usage patterns to suggest files you might need frequently. Finally, no cloud storage service would be complete without robust collaboration features. Sharing files is simple. Right-click on the file you're interested in and select Share. Here, you'll input the email addresses of anyone you wish to collaborate with. It's crucial to set their permissions appropriately. For instance, viewer if you just want them to see the file, commenter if they should provide feedback, and editor if they need to make changes to the file. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be managing your Google Drive like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back soon for more tips and insights.